Do you think that there is life on other planets other than this Earth? Hi, I am Kuldeep and today I'll talk on something which has been point of debate since time immemorial. Friends, we all know that our scientist or our scientific community has been made lot of advancement to explore the life or to explore the things on other planets other than this Earth. But still we are in dilemma or we haven't reached that conclusion that there is any existence of living entities on such planet. And what to think of this life on other planets? There are people who do not even aware about the other countries which exist on this earth. Like suppose if someone if never been to America or England, so you always maintain that there is no America or there is no England. So it is like Dr. Frog's philosophy. Like once there lived a frog and one day one of his friend from that bell and informed him the existence of Atlantic Ocean. So just when that frog asked him, what is the size of that Atlantic Ocean? He replied that it is 10 times big than that of bell which you are living. So do you think that frog ever come to that conclusion to calculate or even to understand the vastness of that great Atlantic Ocean? He will never come, because his perception or his senses is so limited that he cannot understand the vastness of that great ocean. And similarly, our sense is also very limited, that we cannot explore the life on other planets, even like despite whatever advancement we make to explore the life on other planets. So sometime we need to feel it. Like there are people who do not believe in God, or they do not believe in the existence of soul. So it's not mean that there is no God or there is no soul. It is there, we need to feel it. Similarly, like in our universe there are different hierarchy of planetary systems. Like we have the 14 planetary systems and we are living the middle of it. So there are some upper higher planetary system, there are some down planetary system. So to go or so to live on such planets, we require some certain type of bodies to exist on such planets. So friends, like the living entities who live on planet Sun, so their body is such type that they can live under the influence of that great fire or the great heat. So we cannot live. Similarly, like if we are living on this planet Earth, we require oxygen, water to sustain our life. So the life on other planets is there. Even our Vedas or our scriptures explain the same thing. They say Sarvagata, which means existence in all circumstances is possible with the certain type of body.